One of the big advantages of installing all new cabinets in your kitchen is you're able to decide exactly how tall your wall cabinets can be. Now the thing is so many houses, the cabinets stop right at 84 inches or 7 feet tall, and there's a lot of available space above that. Here's how we utilized it here. We extended the cabinets up a little bit more, but still had room for a nice decorative facade on top, crown molding and the seam molding there. But other ways that you can utilize that space, one is to remove any of the soffit or the drywall return that many houses have, or it may just be an open area. Either way, make sure your cabinets are secured well to the wall. Then take a nice decorative galley rail, which is a type of molding, and put it right on the front edge of your wall cabinets, and that makes available that space up there for decorative baskets or vines or just extra storage. Now another way that you can gain that space is something we did on a project a couple years ago, where we had our cabinet maker create cabinets that look just like the original cabinets. They slip right on top, a little molding there right on the seam, and no one would know that it wasn't original. But the homeowners ended up with some very good storage. Even though it was a little bit of a challenge to reach that area, it was perfect for holiday kitchenware or just some of the things you have in your kitchen that you really don't use a whole lot. So either way, some valuable space up around the upper part of your kitchen.